Welcome to this video, guys. Let's see how we can install Node.js on Windows 11. First, go to this URL and you can click on this download Node.js LTS. But if this has changed, you can find all the versions by going to download. So I'll open this and I'll show you what's in there. Here you can choose which version you want to download on which OS and using what. So if you have some kind of package managers like this, you can download using your package manager. But if you want an installer, just click on this pre-built installer and you can choose your version, OS, and what you're running on. If you want to check if you're using x64, x86 or ARM64, check the video link in the description. It will show you how you can check it. And for most cases, you might be using x64. So you can click this to download, or you can click this to download. I'll click this for now, and the installer will download. Once the installer is complete, just click on open file and your installer wizard will open. Click on next. Click on I accept the terms in the license agreement. Click next again, and this is where your Node.js will be installed. If you want to change this due to some reasons, like if you don't have storage in C, you can click on change and choose any other directory from here. Okay, but I'll choose the default directory for now. Click next and click next again. And if you want to install Chocolatey, you can check this, but I don't want to do that, so I'll just click next and click install, and it will show you that I am out of space. So what I'll do is what I had suggested you to do. I'll just go back and change the directory of installation. So I'll install in Node and create a new folder. Let's call it JS. And this is where I'll install Node. Click next, next, and install again. And now the installation will start. If you're asked, do you want to allow this app to make changes, just click on yes. Once the installation is complete, you will see this finish button. Just click on finish. And now press Windows key and type CMD. Hit enter to open your command prompt, and let's check our Node version. You can type this command to check your Node version. And we have Node 20. And now let's check npm version, and we have npm, what is the version? 10.7. so if I just type node, I'll be inside node console, and you can run your javascript here. So if I type console.log hello world is printed. So this is how you can install Node.js on Windows 11. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below.